Morgan alumni this time, and it feels good to be back. Nice to see all my peoples. It's Akil.
How you doing?
He has my old desk,
Yeah,
so you know it's all good. He has more books than I did. That's a good thing. Also more art. More books. What do you?
Books.
I know them.
Yes.
Yeah.
They came in personally. It's time, bro.
Signature.
Signature.
That's a good thing.
Very rare.
Yeah, man. Maybe he should like do a tour at his desk.
Oh, really?
Way better than mine. The battery's gonna die too soon, so. Stay.
Hopefully this battery. Oh, yeah. Hopefully the battery lasts for me. But we got 3D printed cars, dog. And we got this clay form that I use for all kinds of cool forms and things. My little custom name tag. My award, second place.
That's enough. That's enough. Kind of feels like I never left. Jonathan, you just wanted to be on camera, didn't you?
I didn't know what you were doing. No.
I miss this so much. You can't do this at my other studio. I miss doing this so much. I miss this so much. All right, we're done for today.